We in here. I got my wristband and shit. Finna do my walk arounds, get my badge. How you living? How you living?
I'm doing good, thank God.
Got that young media pass in. Now we finna get it cracking in this beat, you feel me? Sheesh. Ain't seen food in a while. We got Big Dog right here. Hello, cool shit. My nigga Dub.
Wow, get some good videos today, then we can ever lock in.
A hell of a fucking show, I'm gonna tell you that. Been rocking with my nigga Dub this whole time.
We out here in Trocadero on the Bay, Vallejo, California. We out here with the police and everything over there. You guys follow them on Instagram, YouTube, everything. High Heels Pump.
Yes, sir. Y'all heard it first. Time for the next rhyme. Yeah. Y'all go follow my boy Dub. Dub is probably like one of the realest white motherfuckers from Vegas that I've met. He a real solid motherfucker. A real ass nigga at the end of the day. Y'all go fuck with him. Post this shit. Y'all go fuck with him. It was a sick ass show. I want to thank Trocadero in the Bay for fucking with your boy. And let a nigga come out here and experience this sick ass Bay Area shit. So.